Too Many Rides here. Welcome to the Too Many Rides garage. And the reason we're here today is Nicky has requested a few operations be done. Nicky's a 1995 xr600r. That's the race bike. You know Nicky. I've got a few things I want to take care of. Got some garage work to do today. Later that day, come back to work on it a little bit, and I noticed my tail light lens is loose. It's got a screw up top, but I don't think it has one up bottom. Gonna have to take a look at that.
I opened up the taillight and the bulb is completely smashed there. Also, there's a word of warning about the screws here. You have to watch out when you unscrew them because they're almost a one-time thing. These are self-tapping, or they self-tap into the lens itself. And you only get a couple times screwing into that hole before it becomes a problem.
There's supposed to be 2 screws back here, and I'm only finding one, so I'll have to search out a second one. But this is why I don't like the Western powersports taillight. It's a replacement for OEM that has dual filaments. And not only do you have to take all this apart just to change the bulb, it's cheap all the way around. Cheap, thin plastic, wires cheap, parts cheap. It's cheap. Doesn't cost a whole lot, but you know, if you're gonna buy one, you may as well buy a couple of them. All right, let me see if I can find a screw. In the whole setup, because originally when you screw these in and then, or when you take them out for the first time, out comes a whole bunch of plastic with it. Every time you do it, you're losing plastic that it's got to bite into. So I don't have a whole lot of faith in that holding. It's just screws going into cheap plastic. That just slides right in and out. You don't have to screw it. Even the original one doesn't do anything. I'm gonna have to look for longer screws. Maybe a little larger diameter even. I mean, something's up here. I have some screws that are larger diameter. They're pretty short. It's about the only thing I can think to put in there. It screws into the plastic into the stripped meat, but it doesn't screw in very far. So at about this point it starts to grip. See, it goes in that far without even screwing it in. And then right away you can feel it grabbing plastic. Okay, so obviously my hope is that I'm not gonna go up in there and split something because I've got a larger diameter. But that got a pretty good grip on it. I like the looks of it. It's not big and bulky. And that's what you want. Okay, fixed. Another 10 or 11 trail rides and we'll take a look at it again. Those of you who have been following the channel, and the reason we're here today is Nicky has requested a few operations be done. You know Nicky. Got some garage work to do today.